If your web hosting is not showing in GoDaddy, don't worry. This is usually a simple account, dashboard, or refresh issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to check it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to confirm you're in the right account, where to look inside GoDaddy, and what to do if your hosting plan still doesn't appear. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. This sounds obvious, but a lot of people have more than one account, especially if they've used different emails over time. So make sure you're logging into the exact account that purchased the hosting plan. Once you're signed in, go straight to My Products. This is the main place where GoDaddy shows your domains, hosting, and other services. Now look carefully under the Web Hosting section and check whether your plan is listed there. If it shows up here, then the hosting is active, and the issue may just be with the page not loading correctly or a display problem in the dashboard. If you don't see it, the next thing you need to do is verify that you're in the correct account. Click the profile icon in the top corner, then open Account Settings. From here, double-check the account details and make sure the email address matches the one used to buy the hosting. If you manage multiple GoDaddy accounts, this step is very important because the hosting may simply be attached to a different login. After that, go back to My Products again and recheck the web hosting area. Sometimes the page needs a moment to sync, and the plan will appear once the dashboard reloads. If you still don't see it, click the profile icon again and go into Billings and Renewals. Your hosting plan should be shown there if it's active under that account. This is one of the best places to confirm whether the product was purchased, renewed, or assigned correctly. If the plan appears in Billing but not in My Products, that usually points to a dashboard loading issue rather than a missing subscription. At this point, the simplest fix is to refresh the page properly. Don't just click the normal refresh button in your browser. Instead, do a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl plus F5 on Windows. This forces the browser to reload the page completely and can fix cached information that is hiding your hosting product. If you're on a Mac, you may need to use the browser refresh options or clear the cache if needed. After the hard refresh, go back to My Products one more time and check the web hosting section again. In many cases, that's enough to make the hosting plan appear immediately. If you're still having trouble, take a moment to log out and log back in, especially if you suspect you may have opened the wrong account first. Also make sure you are not just viewing a filtered or incomplete dashboard. Sometimes account pages show only certain products until everything finishes syncing. The key is to confirm the account, confirm the billing record, and then force the dashboard to reload. Once your hosting appears, you're good to go. And if it still doesn't show after checking My Products, Account Settings, Billings and Renewals, and doing a hard refresh, the next step would be to contact GoDaddy support with your account email and billing details so they can verify the product on their side. So to recap quickly, sign into the correct account, open My Products, check web hosting, verify the account through profile icon and account settings, check Billings and Renewals, and then do a Ctrl plus F5 hard refresh. Those steps solve most cases where web hosting is not showing in GoDaddy. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.